Hey, what's happening, entrepreneurs, warriors, and marketers? Anthony Chancellor here from Simple Creative Marketing. And just wanted to fill you in on a Black Friday slash Cyber Monday uh, deal that I decided to launch because it ties in with something really exciting that I'm putting together. And I wanted to let you know about it before it disappears. Okay, so essentially, let me pull this up and here we go. So I am launching a new content marketing membership. All right, I'm calling it Accelerator. And essentially what it is the opportunity for you to get expert and peer feedback on your copy and any of the marketing campaigns that you're doing and you're working on each and every month for only 99 USD per month. All right, so I typically am charging $800 for a couple of coaching sessions when I'm doing one-on-one. And now that's okay for larger businesses and businesses that can afford that kind of thing. But I really wanted to be able to support some of the smaller businesses, freelancers, people starting out, solo entrepreneurs and whatnot, who just maybe at that stage where they've got a VA, they've got a team, but they don't have the ability to bring in someone full time yet just to be the head of marketing, right? And so there is that gap and a stage where it really makes sense to have someone who has the expertise to be able to call on to get feedback on things that you're working on, right? So let me explain more about what this is and how it all works. Essentially, let me ask you, right? So how would you feel if you had an experienced marketing coach and also a trusted group of like-minded business owners and marketers to turn to often for ongoing marketing support and guidance, right? Well, really, here's your chance. As I mentioned, I'm starting Accelerator. It's a new membership for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and marketers who want help with their marketing campaigns, right? So let me talk, what's a campaign? A couple of different things you can be working on here. So maybe you're launching a new product or service. Maybe you're building out and you want to nurture your email list and really get better at email marketing because what you're doing right now isn't working for you. Maybe you want to build a new Facebook group or online community. You want to set up some email campaigns. These are the things that maybe you've already had on your to-do list, but for whatever reason, you haven't been able to get there. You want to get some help. We're coming into 2021 real soon. So some planning around your 3-month, 6-month, 12 months worth of content, whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, whatever it may be. You just want some help to brainstorm all of that. Maybe you want to get booked on more podcasts, right? So that's something, if that's part of your strategy and you just want to know, how do I do that, Anth, right? Or you've got some plans to host a 5-day challenge or prospect and generate leads on LinkedIn or somewhere else. And really anything that you're working on that is designed to attract people to you and also convert leads and clients, right? So you are working on any of these and you said, yes, I'm working on that thing, then this really is the place for you, right? Accelerator, it's not just another membership or a coaching program, right? I'm definitely not going to promise you, 10,000 followers in a month or something ridiculous like that, or that you'll be taking photos standing in front of a Lamborghini or a tropical beach in your bikini within 6 months. No, that's not what this is about. And this is not about getting you guaranteed sales, okay? So I think there's a lot of that messaging out there. I'm definitely not about that at all. This is really about creating the space where you can grow and learn with peers and also with someone with a lot of expertise that can actually guide you and support you along the way, okay? So what we will be doing in Accelerator is supporting you to authentically connect, with more of your ideal clients, drive engagement, generate more leads with less content. Here's the thing, like I'm out here going, you don't need more and more and more content. What you actually need is just more targeted content. Dial that back and really focus on the type of content you need to attract and to convert. And let's work on that, okay? I want to also give you a safe space online to go where you can go and get feedback from the group that's judgment free, okay? It's where you can connect, you can share, and you can hear others being vulnerable and that sort of thing, and really have that space for you as well, so that you're not worried about, is this not good enough, is my writing not good enough, or my post not good enough to publish, or whatever it is, right? Is my sales page not right? Get the feedback first from the group and then go put it out there, okay? And really, this is also another space, also a space where you can keep accountable, right, for executing on your strategy and removing any blocks that will inevitably come up your way. I've personally had that experience where I just need to get out of my own head and have someone to support me, to push me sometimes. And this is what Accelerator is all about. All right. So what really I want you to be able to walk away with, on a monthly basis as a member, is to be able to confidently talk about your work, to be able to position yourself as the best choice for your target clients, strategic partners, and media, to price your work effectively, focus your time, money, and energy, and like I said, say bye to shiny object syndrome and chasing all the new tools and tactics and things like that, and really get a system in place to get leads and clients coming to you. Right? How would that feel if you had that? Okay, so let's get into some of the sort of here's the things that you'll get as part of the membership, right? In addition to those benefits, here are logistically how it will work. So we're going to do one live Q&A call with myself every month, right? You get to submit your question ahead of time, and then you jump on a call and I can answer. I'll be answering the members' questions on that call. If you're not able to join for whatever reason, you can still submit your question and get it answered. And also you'll get access to the recordings if you happen to miss any of the monthly calls. All right. So you also have 24/7 access to our distraction-free private community platform. Ask your questions, get feedback and reviews on any marketing campaigns you're working on or assets that you're developing. You can connect and collaborate with like-minded business owners and marketers, and really support each other. That's what it's all about, right? The third thing here is a members-only resource center, which will include my personal what I call the marketing swipe file. It's really examples of great marketing that I've seen and observed, and I'll break that down to why it works, why what are the why did they choose this thing over this thing, and we'll give you some insight into some ideas for what you can do for your business as well. You'll get some templates that I'm working on, like our client avatar template, content marketing template, epic blog post template. So these sort of things would be inside the membership as well. And then we're also working on bringing to you ongoing training and courses featuring some experts that we have as partners to the community. So we've got partners in SEO, design, finance, outsourcing, and more. Okay, so that's a really valuable resource, right? So in addition to that, you're going to have access to our LinkedIn sharing group. This is a way that we can help you drive engagement to your LinkedIn posts and get more organic reach on LinkedIn. And if you're in the B2B marketing or B2B world and that's who you work with, that's who your audience is, definitely recommend you're active on LinkedIn. If not, you got to be there, man. Like, got to really look at that. I mentioned ongoing accountability before. Okay, so this is self-driven, all right? So we're going to put it to you to post your goals when you start, 6 months, 12 months, monthly, quarterly, whatever it is, weekly, and then share the regular updates in the community. So that's a way for you to have public accountability and to keep yourself going. And we'll check in from time to time to make sure that you're okay as well and getting stuff done, right? And I'm also we're gonna ask that you also help some of our other members stay accountable as well, right? It's all supporting each other. It's not about just taking. This is a give first community, and I really want to make sure that we all support each other to grow. Okay. And a final bonus, if you are here, is that you do have the opportunity here to influence and shape the member experience, right? You're going to have a first-hand experience and insight of how building this membership and this community. You'll see how how to build a membership or an online product like this, and this is really going to help you see, think about your own campaigns and your own launches and get some ideas there as well. Okay, so I'm not going to go through who am I. If you don't know who I am, you can just check out this page, and there's a breakdown here of all the things that I've been able to accomplish, or some of the things I've been able to accomplish and where I've come from. And just wanted to remind you here, founding member launch offer right now, only 99 USD per month. All right, first 25 people only, and the price will increase to $129 per month on December 11. Okay, that means if you sign up now before December 11, you're going to save $360 per year on the membership. All right, so pretty sweet deal. First 25 people only. I've already got a couple of takers, so don't wait too long on that if you're interested. if you have any questions, I'm going to share this link with you in the comments and below. So if you do have any questions, just drop them in the chat right now, and I will come back and respond to you very soon. All right. So again, super excited to invite you to become a founding member of Accelerator. This is going to be epic, and I'm a bit nervous. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a bit nervous just sharing it with you because it's been such a huge dream of mine for a while now, and now 2021 or end of 2020, I'm really being able to offer it to my community. And if you know anyone else who might be interested in this, please tag them or share this with them. Let them know. Again, 25 spots, going to go real soon. And if you want that founding member launch price, this is the time to do it. Okay. Thanks for tuning in today, and I will see you real soon.